Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of Bluetooth, that their Bluetooth is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check Bluetooth settings. Starting by ensuring that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone 15 models. You have to do is simply open the settings, then go to Bluetooth, and you have to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone 15. After checking for Bluetooth settings, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve Bluetooth issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the general, then scroll down and then tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply forget and repair your Bluetooth device. If you are having trouble connecting to a specific Bluetooth device, example headphones, speaker, etc., try forgetting the device from your iPhone 15 and then repair it again. To do this, you have to simply go back and then go to Bluetooth. Now, if like the BT is causing the issue, I will tap on I icon, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device, and then forget it and then repair it again. After repairing the device, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the general, tap on software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these steps and still facing the issue, then there will be some interference while connecting to your Bluetooth device. Bluetooth connectivity can be affected by interference from the electronic devices, Wi-Fi networks, or physical obstructions. Move your iPhone 15 and the Bluetooth device closer together and away from potential source of interference. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and the Bluetooth is not working on your iPhone 15, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. That this will reset Wi-Fi networks and password as well as cellular settings. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix the issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.